How to log in to your Twitter account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. If you have an account of Twitter and you're trying to log into it, in this video let me show you how it's done. Now either you can use the mobile app of Twitter or you can also use the website of Twitter. If you're using the website, you'll need to open up twitter.com and you'll see a login box there. But if you want to use the app of Twitter, you'll need to first download it onto your device. Now once you open up your Twitter app, you'll see this interface. On the bottom you can see an option of have an account already, log in. So tap on the login link and it's going to show you this interface where you'll need to type in either your phone number, email address or your username. So you can type in any of them and then tap on next. In the next section, you'll have an option of entering in the password. So type in the password that you created while signing up for Twitter. If you don't remember the password of your Twitter account, you can tap on forgot password and you can follow the steps to recover and create a new password of Twitter. If you do remember it, type it in and tap on login. And you'll be successfully logged in to your Twitter account. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more informative videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.